we've got Rudra Murthy BV of Vachna Investments joining us on the show to help make us sense of the kind of moves that we're seeing in the market. Because on one hand, you've got the Nifty that's doing very well. On the other side, you've got the broader end that's under pressure. So let's welcome Rudra on board. Rudra, hi, good afternoon. Good to be speaking with you as always. I remember the last time we spoke, you had a very strong conviction on this market being a buy on dips market. You did say that buy any dip that comes in the market, and that's actually turned out to be quite true, because given the up move in the market, it's looking good. But the broader end, Rudra, especially the small cap index, is heavily under pressure today. What's causing that, and where are you seeing more strength in the markets, in the benchmark or the SMIDs?
Snehi, good afternoon. Thanks so much for having me in the show. See, first of all, if you see the indices, Nifty is stuck in that consolidation range of 23,800 on the lower side. And yes, on the upside, you have resistance kicking in at 24,300. So it is a 500-point range between 23,800 to 24,300. And yes, I feel market has to break out on the upside, and keeping a stop loss of 23,800. Positionally, every dip is a buying opportunity. In fact, 24,000 itself is a strong support. But once you break out of this consolidation range, market will head towards 24,800 to 25,000. Also, if you see Bank Nifty, similar range is there between 57,000, where you have strong support. And yes, resistance is at 58,500. Once we cross this 1,500 point range in Bank Nifty, yes, again a big move towards 60,000, and even above that is possible. But then we have to understand, more the consolidation, bigger will be the breakout and faster will be the move once you break this consolidation range. So for me, this market is giving you a lot of sector specific and stock specific opportunity, and wait for indices to break out of this range. And I will be extremely bullish. Keep a stop loss of 23,800 and buy all the dips on Nifty. And if you see, Brent crude is now again at around $84–85 per barrel. Irrespective of all the escalations what you have seen in West Asia, market is definitely not considering anything. So that itself is a clear point that yes, this market is just consolidating and waiting for a move beyond that level of 24,300. And if you see sector specific, capital goods look very strong to me. Financials and NBFC looks very strong. Select pharma, select IT also gives you great opportunity to buy. So a lot of sectors and stock specific movements you have to see. And this result season, more or less till now, whatever you have seen, they're all very positive. And I also expect financials to come out with good numbers for tomorrow. And you have over 30–40% of Nifty stocks coming out with result. So I feel all this Kotak Bank, ICICI Bank, and even all the private banks which are coming out with results, they will be positive. And position yourself on the long side. VIX is also below 15. So everything is set for markets to move up. And mid and small cap, whatever you are seeing some underperformance, they will even catch up once the larger ones do the move on the upside.
All right, so an extremely bullish view on the markets flagged by Mr. Rudra, along with a positive view on the BFSI and industrial space. But Rudra, can you also give our investors specific stock ideas which you are seeing will be in focus going ahead?
See, for me, definitely there is positiveness in financials, and also private banks look very strong. You can pick up Kotak, Axis Bank, HDFC Bank, all these looks good to me. But then I am picking today CDSL as a stock which has consolidated a lot. And after giving a clear breakout above levels of 1,390, it is giving a wonderful buying opportunity and a good risk reward trade. Stock available in futures, one can go long in CDSL. Look at initial targets of 1,480 and then 1,600 to come. Keep a stop loss of 1,380. It's a 1:5 kind of a risk reward trade on the long side. For me, Shriram Finance is another stock from NBFC, looks very, very strong. At current market price, I will be a buyer. Look at initial target of 1,100 on Shriram Finance and keep a stop loss of 1,000 rupees for this long call. So buy on Shriram Finance and on CDSL.
Right, so that's the take coming in. Shriram Finance and CDSL, both of the capital market theme, one capital market theme, one NBFC looking good to Rudra. Rudra, thank you so much for your time. Good as always to be speaking with you.